This is Arya Book Depot, page number 58, class 6. Topic is facts about prime numbers. Facts about prime numbers. 1. 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number and the only even prime number. Every prime number except 2 is an odd number. Third, there are infinitely many prime numbers. 4. A natural number greater than 1 is either a prime number or it can be expressed as a product of primes. That is, 4 is equal to 2 into 2, 6 is equal to 2 into 3, 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, etc. Every odd prime number can be expressed as a product of primes plus 1. For example, 3 is equal to 2 plus 1, 6 is equal to 5 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1, 7 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1, and point number 6, numbers between 1 and 100 having the same digits are primes. Numbers between 1 and 100 having the same digits are primes are 30 and 31. 13, 31, 17, 71, 37, 73, 79, 97. So these are having the same digit, having the same digit, having the same digit, having the same. Example number 11. For a 2-digit number to be prime, what may be the possible digits in the ones place? For a 2-digit number to be prime, what may be the possible digits in the one place? The ones place cannot have at the unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 cannot be there because they are divisible by 2. Hence, the possible digits in one place are 1, 3, not 5, because 5 is divided by 5. So here no 5, and then here 7, and 9 also. 1, 3, 7, 9. So you can see here also 1 is there, 3 is there, 7 is there, and 9 is there. Some definitions and observations. First, twin primes. 2 prime numbers having a difference of 2 are known as the twin primes. Twin primes are 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31. So 3 and 5, difference is 2. Next is 5 and 7, difference is 2. Next is 11, 13. 11 is there and 13 is there. 2. And 17 in 19. Difference is 2. And 29 and 31. Difference is 2. So these are the twin primes. Now third one. Sorry. Next topic. Prime triplet. Prime triplets is a set of 3 consecutive prime numbers having a difference of 2. This is 3, 5, 7. Called a prime triplet, and this is unique, that means only one, and this is the 3, 5, 7. Next topic is co-primes. Two numbers are said to be co-primes. Their SCF is 1. That means 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 15, 9, 16, and so on. Co-prime numbers are not necessarily prime numbers, like 9, 16 or 8, 50. Any two consecutive numbers are always co-primes. Any two consecutive numbers are always co-primes, like 2, 3, 3, 4, etc. Two prime numbers are always co-prime, but two co-prime numbers need not be a prime. Two prime numbers are always co-prime, but two co-prime numbers did not be prime. Next topic is to check whether a number is prime or not.